Yeah. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who's back with another video. I think I'm kicking with your boy Q today. Guys, I'm starting this video out. I'm not even capping. I'm not even lying. This is not even clickbait. I really do hate 24x14s. I freaking hate it, bro. Like, I'm not even playing with y'all. I'm just saying this is for looks. It is totally for looks. Practicality out the window. I may be a little premature saying this because I have only had the 14 wides on here for like 2 weeks and driving it. And yes, it is an adjustment from my 12 wides that I have over here. Go ahead and give y'all a cold start real quick while we out here. Here we go. Actually, it's not a cold start, I lied. I drove it earlier. Ooh, the turbos. I cannot find anybody in my immediate area to really work on my truck with 24x14. So the weights on one of my wheels like fell off, literally fell off. So I called around a few shops saying, hey, I got 24x14. Can you balance the tire and put the weights back on? I don't know why I want to call them beads. Called 4 shops. Only one said they can do it for sure. The other one like, yeah, maybe. He like, we can do 12 wides for sure, but I don't know about 14s. And that was the thing. Every one of the ones who couldn't, they could all do 12 wides. None of them could do 14 wides. So that's the first thing. Having to find a shop nearby that can service my truck, it's a headache. So now I'm gonna have to go back to one who put the 14s on, the video y'all saw. I gotta go back out to him to do it. But he's 45 minutes away from me. He's not close. Just having somebody to service these 14 wides, bro, is already gonna be a problem, I can tell you right now. Let's head over to one shop and get these new weights, get the weights put back on, get it balanced and all that stuff. And also, hopefully he can get the sensors to link back up too. It's something we forgot to do when I did go last time. It was on, I mean, it was on both of us. I didn't remind him and he forgot because we were doing a lot of talking and I was filming. So I can get that can be a distraction.
A few moments later.
So guys, quick update, man. Don't be like me. I drove all the way over here to Juan and forgot my dang key to the wheels. And I thought since I had the 24x12s, the key that they gave me for those would work, but it didn't work. Thankfully, Juan knew somebody, so I had to go around the corner, buy a new key, $20 just for the key, just to get the wheels off so they can rebalance them. So I didn't even think about that. I was just trying to get here, you know, before they closed, get here early and left the key at home. So I need to just keep that in my truck. I don't know why I did it in the first place, but yeah, man, just lesson to learn. Got the truck back then. There it is. Got the key, thankfully. So let them come do their thing, then we'll be on the road. Yep. Heavy tire, man. There you go. Relearning the tires, the sensors. Says successful. Okay. So you see them up there now. All right, guys. So we all set up, man. One got me right. We got the weights on the tire. Got it balanced again. We good to go there. Also, no more tire pressure light, guys. We got the sensors all connected right there, as y'all can see. I'm happy about that because I pay $120 for brand new sensors on both sets of my wheels I had on this set and the last set. So it's kind of annoying when you pay that much money for sensors and then they don't read all the time. Now, granted, sometimes the sensor does go out. Like on my last set, I'll be driving it intermittently, the sensor will fail or just go out and stop reading for whatever reason. Now with these size tires and everything like that, kind of, you know, it's common. And I just found out they do wheel alignments too. And he said they can do 24x14. So I know for me, it's about a 45-minute to hour drive to get here, bro. But that's the thing, guys. I say this all the time. When you want to go big wheel, big tire offset, you're going to have to be a little inconvenienced if you don't stay near shops that can service your truck. You're going to have to drive a little bit. And that's exactly what I'm having to do.
One eternity later.
All right, what's up, guys? I do get a lot of companies that reach out to me about products that they have, and they always reach out and say, hey, we want you to try some of this. Try this product, and let us know how it works. There's a lot of times I say no. So there's a lot of products that companies send me that I don't even share with y'all or show y'all, because to me, I'm like, I don't just want to be pushing products that's down your throat just to, you know, try to get some kickback from it from the company, whatever. But when I do find a product that I really, really like, I usually work with the company, and that's what we're doing today. I do have a product that I think everybody is going to benefit from, actually, and it's called Yantu, Yantu. So they actually sent me out their portable Tyre Inflator, guys, like that. They see, look at that, portable Tyre Inflator. So on the back side, you got the power. You can charge it. Has a charging port right there. They even give you the charging cable. And it's digital, so I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it on really quick just so y'all can see. Look at that. Full digital screen, bro. And it has a bunch of different modes. It had 3 modes. I got an SUV mode right now because we're actually gonna do Brielle's car right here. Brielle is behind the camera, guys.
Hey, y'all.
So
I probably saw my reflection, honestly, trying to stay off camera.
We're gonna actually try this out today, and I'm super excited. I think this is very, very handy. With the holidays coming around right now, guys, this actually be a very, very good gift, honestly, for, you know, somebody who goes out in the wilderness or off-road. And it's just for Brielle to have in general.
Not for your wife or girlfriend. Let me put that out there.
What you mean?
Do not give this as a Christmas gift to your wife or girlfriend.
Yeah. This is just like a, hey,
just because gift.
Just because I thought about your gift. But, yeah. Or anyway, that gift too. Or like I said, you got someone you think may really like it. And I think it's a cool gadget, man. I'm actually going to gift this to Brielle because my truck here, you showing red, comes, I have the train horn air blaster kit on my truck. I have a tire inflation kit built into my truck already, so I don't really need it. But Brielle, she doesn't have this.
I said, y'all some OGs. Y'all know I was having trouble with my 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee earlier this year, honestly. And yeah, we use your train horn compressor because I kept having a flat tire. And
stuff. So I put a clip in there so y'all can see when we use my truck to inflate her tire.
Yeah.
But in case I wasn't around, she's on the side of the road. Now she got this from Yantu. So first we need to find out what Brielle tire pressure should be, and it's usually, if you want to find that, guys, there's a sticker right here. The dealer's put right there in your door, and it tells you what it should be in the front and what it be in the rear. What does it say in the front? Looking for PSI.
36 PSI.
Where, front or back?
Front.
And what's the rear?
36.
So 36?
Yeah.
I can't see. I'm trusting what she says, guys.
Y'all see what I see.
So if you want to see what it is now, go ahead and jump in. I'll take the camera and see where you at now. It's a little cooler out. The temperature's starting to drop. You ain't got to start all the way up. She started all the way up. You just need accessories on. You just set off, well, that's fine, whatever. So let's see what her tire pressure is at now.
I don't know how to find it, so.
There it is. So 35, 34. So she can use about 2 in the back and maybe 1 on the front on each wheel right there. Y'all can see. Pretty nice digital cluster. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna test this out on Brielle's car. So before you do that, go ahead. It's a cigarette lighter type joint to, take that. Hope the cord is pretty long. You would think it'd be super long because, all right. So.
You probably have to open your passenger side.
Yeah, you probably gotta go to the passenger side. It goes in there, Put that in there. Cool. Let's do the back first. This is needed 30, like 2 PSI. Bring this over here. Plug this in. This is the only thing that's kind of getting me. I'm not sure how this goes. It just clips on. So I guess it just clips onto the thing. Oh yeah, push it down. So I push it in and then you just, okay, like that. Take this out. Put this on the tire now. Clip it down. I don't know if the cord should be straight or not bent, but I would just suggest try to keep it straight as possible. Power button's over here. Little button. Boom. So we want to go to 36 PSI. There it is, 36. And then you hit. Made Brielle time to see how long it's gonna take. And it automatically shuts off when you get to the temperature.
36 seconds.
36 seconds?
I'm about to say 40.
Probably about 45 seconds because we did start it late. And that's it, and it cuts off by itself.
That's cool.
That is cool. It's pretty easy to use. I'm so surprised. Like, it's super easy to use, bro. Like, really, really easy. I kind of want to keep it for myself. I ain't gonna care. I don't know why I told Brielle she could have it. I'm gonna let you do it this time.
Excuse whatever y'all see.
Oh yeah, Brielle, she just got done working out, so excuse the.
Okay.
Yep.
So that's screw.
Mm-hmm. Push it down. Yep. Yep.
Okay.
Set it to your desired pressure. Yep.
Okay.
And press play.
I'll play.
It's kind of moving, I see. You know, see that? That's it. And two things really quick I want to point out, guys. It does have a battery indicator. Them 2 dots right there. I just saw a battery bar drop while we're using this. Like I said, it's portable, it's chargeable. You can charge it, excuse me.
It's got 3 now.
Oh, it's back up to 3, but it just dropped down to 2. And the one thing I'm about to say, it is, we think about loud. It's about normal. If you ever dealt with a tire compressor before, it's about normal. It's not crazy loud from what I've experienced and used on these things. I think it's pretty dope, man. The fact that you can use it that easy, like, that's pretty cool. The cord is pretty long. We didn't have any issue with length. Brielle's over there doing it herself. And I'm telling you, Brielle don't usually do stuff like this herself. She don't. So the fact that she's over there doing it tells you that it's pretty cool. So actually, I got to try it on red to see if it's gonna work. Like, we got to try it, right? So yeah, we just got to try it and see if it can fit a 37. The only thing is, red is a little taller. I don't know how long the cord gonna be. All right, let me see. I'll plug that in. Boom. The cord is long enough. You don't see my stem? She looking dead at it. I'm like, what you looking at?
These such big tires.
So we gonna see if it fits on. So guys, I'm on 37s.
Why am I doing all the heavy lifting?
I know. I'm filming. I'm on 37s, 24x14. So it's a pretty beefy tire. We gonna put it to 38. So you press the plus. Yep. 7, 38. Let's go 39 actually. Yep. Press play. 36. So we gonna see time this one actually. And time. Where we at time? So at 5 seconds, so a minute and about 10 seconds. So like I figured it would take a lot longer for my tires, since my tire are twice the size of Brielle's tires. It took Brielle about 45 seconds, so it took almost additional, what, 30 seconds to do my tires here. So it works though, so I'm excited about it. I'm about to do all my tires. Man, actually, man, look, bro, I might need this back. I ain't gonna use cap to you. Hey, Yantu, if you watching this, man, y'all like this video, send me out another one, man, because my wife took mine. She stole it, bro. I need this. This is pretty dope. I'm not gonna cap, guys. Like, it is cool. It's easy. I think I like anybody like anything that's easy. Huh? Do they come in pink? That's a good question. If y'all don't make them in pink, this is review feedback from the user. Make it in pink. That would be pretty dope for the ladies that she didn't want to gift it to, but now you want it in pink. So guys, if you go get one, it maybe need to be in pink. All right guys, one thing I noticed, my stem is upward facing now, so the cord is kind of short, so I can't let this rest on the ground. I just lied, never mind. You can turn the camera off. It's all good. There we go, 39. If you're wondering where you can find this, again, I'll link it in the description. I believe it's on Amazon, which is a lot of convenience for a lot of people, because you got Amazon Prime, come real fast if you want it, if you need a last minute gift. But yeah, man, I think this is pretty cool.
Even like the white elephant gifts at work.
Oh, white elephant gift at work. There's different modes you can cycle. I ain't showing that. Come over here. Different readings too. So you got kg, you got bar, PSI, which is what we were using, and then you also got different modes. Like, it has 3 different custom modes too that you can save.
You can, like, save it.
Yeah, so you can save it. So I just had to
forget what PSI it is.
Right, you just have to save for, like, so for me, you could have been using SUV for yours,
yeah,
and then I could have just been using custom 1 for mine, you know. So that way, when you go plug it back in, it automatically saves and remembers the user settings. So that's pretty neat too. If you're looking for this, like I said, I think this is a great gift. Like, I really like this. I like the simplicity of it. I like the digital layout, easy to use. Again, detail in the description, man, if you want to get you one. Again, thank you to Yantu for sending this out, man. Like, I really appreciate this. Like I said, sometimes products come along, I'm just like, hey, that's actually pretty dope. And this is one of those products for sure, for me personally. So anyway, that's all I got. I'm gonna finish up getting red here, some air, and yeah, I'll catch y'all next, baby. Peace.